Essential find for the hostels. The first one is acrylic color, which is used for project representation, and this is an alcohol based marker. The quality of the marker is a superb. And the third one is a painting brush, a lots of pen, and the charger. Different types of a charger, type C and type P. You can take whatever you want. And this is a power bank. And this product is a room freshener, and I love perfume, then I will take 3 of them. And this is a parachute oil for the hair, and this one is a body lotion, and this one is a face wash, and this one is a shampoo, and this one is a conditioner, and also include a lots of a razor and body razor and a facials razor, and this is a clip which is used for hair, also taking a scissors and a mirror and two different types of a glue, and also take SPF based body lotion and Nivea roll on, and also including a lots of a ketchup like tomato, red chili, green chili, and soya chili. And this look old because I already use this product, and also taking a rin bar and a small clips and one belt, different types of a comb, whatever you use. One is normal, another is a power, glasses, and lots of a Vaseline and small lotions. It is a travel friendly and two thread, different color. And I take all my watches. This is a suction spray which is used for pore cleaning, and a small fan for your buses and your makeup. And this is a different type of a sheets and lots of a notebook because it's too expensive in another cities. And this is a calculator and lots of a coffee and fruit jam and pasta masala. And this one is a scale. And I take this Bella Vita sunscreen, and I take one bottle. If you like false nails, you have to take this one because I love applying a fake nail on my nails. So basically I will take all of them, and one neckband and one Bluetooth, and also two pairs of a jutti and one pair of Crocs and two pairs of a shoes. And this is all for the hostel essential. I hope you like this video, and do a comment if you think anything is missed in this video. I will upload in next part. Thank you for watching.